Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today is our final video in the Mississippi Gulf Coast series. We begin at Henderson Point and cross the Bay of St. Louis. I want to make a note that the official name of the bay seems to be St. Louis Bay, although various maps label it as Bay St. Louis, Bay of St. Louis, or St. Louis Bay. The city of Bay St. Louis refers to it as St. Louis Bay in the first paragraph of the landing page on their website. However, all of the old newspaper articles I found prior to the 1960s referred to it as Bay of St. Louis. It's important to make the distinction between the actual bay and the city of Bay St. Louis. The bridge that we're on is a replacement for the original bridge that was destroyed in Hurricane Katrina in 2005. This bridge opened on May 17th of 2007. Here we divert from Highway 90 to follow the coast. We're now in Hancock County in the city of Bay St. Louis. As of 2018, Bay St. Louis has an estimated population of 13,515 people. On August 29, 2005, Hurricane Katrina made its final landfall just west of Bay St. Louis at the mouth of the Pearl River, causing a 28-foot storm surge. Hurricane Katrina came ashore during high tide, adding an extra 2 feet to the tide, causing a storm surge of more than 30 feet. USGS topographic maps show a common 25-foot elevation contour line running throughout a ridge along the former routing of US Highway 90, Old Spanish Trail, on the western edge of the city. As higher ground, this area was spared inundation from the storm surge of Hurricane Katrina. We enter the city of Waveland, incorporated in 1972. The city of Waveland was ground zero of Hurricane Katrina's landfall. The city received massive damage and is still in the process of recovering and rebuilding. South of the CSX Railroad main line, the area was almost completely destroyed. The rest of the city took heavy flooding. In a news report, state officials said Waveland took a harder hit from the wind and water than any other town along the Gulf Coast, and that the town was obliterated. 36 years earlier, in 1969, Waveland had been severely damaged by Hurricane Camille. Official reports stated that approximately 50 people died when Waveland was hit directly by the eye wall of Katrina and the 28-foot surge. We leave Waveland and enter the unincorporated community of Clermont Harbor. The community was completely destroyed by Hurricane Katrina. Before and since Katrina, Clermont Harbor had been in the news because developers wanted to build high-rise condominiums on the beach in the area. The Hancock County Board of Supervisors had already approved the Silver Slipper Casino nearby at Bayou Caddy, and numerous condominium towers as tall as 36 stories very close to or in front of Clermont Harbor. The Silver Slipper Casino opened on November 9, 2006 as the first newly built land-based casino in the Mississippi Gulf Coast region. However, the proposed condominium towers appear to be on hold indefinitely. We conclude today's video at the Silver Slipper Casino, the end of the road. This is the furthest point west you can travel on the Mississippi coastline. The Louisiana state line is about 7 miles west of here at the mouth of the Pearl River, and everything in between is marshland. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.